Have you ever created an NFT collection and no one is buying a single NFT of yours? Don't worry, you are watching the right video. In this video, I will show you the 5 best ways to promote your NFT collection to get a lot of sales for free. So, make sure to watch this video till the very end to get the most out of it. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first method to promote your NFT collection is by using Twitter. Every big NFT project out there has a Twitter account of its own. It is one of the best tools to get a lot of sales by engaging with people. As you can see, some of the best NFT projects have a Twitter account and they are engaging with their community almost every day. When someone comes to buy your NFT, they will check if your project has a good community behind it. So, to build a great community, you will have to be active on Twitter and tweet consistently. So go ahead and create a Twitter account for your NFT project right now and set up the profile properly. After that, go and follow a bunch of big NFT projects and artists in the space. Make sure to follow accounts that tweet at least once a day. Now you will have to go and reply to their tweets and engage with their community. A lot of the people that you engage with will follow your account. Like that, you can get a lot of traction on your Twitter account. Now, you should start tweeting about your NFT project at least once a day. Do that consistently. Chances are, many of the followers that you have will buy your NFT as they are interested in your project. You can also grow your followers by doing so. There is also another way to create hype around your NFT project and grow your community using Twitter. I will show you how to do that at the end of the video as a bonus tip, so watch the video till the very end. Now, let's move on to the second method to promote your NFT collection. The second method is to list your NFT event on NFT Calendar. NFT Calendar is a website where all the best NFT drops from various marketplaces are gathered and listed. You can see all the upcoming and ongoing NFT events on this website. So NFT collectors can discover great NFT projects with ease. As you can see, this website is getting over 1 million visits per month. So, you can get a lot of traction to your NFT project for free by using this website. What we have to do is to list an event on this website. It is free to list an event on this website. You can check all these events on this website and get an idea of how you need to enter the details of your NFT project while listing your event so that you can stand out from all the other projects on this website and get people excited about your project. So, to list an event on NFT Calendar, click on the List Your Event button right here. Now, give a title to your event. Make sure it stands out and grabs the attention of people. Now, give a brief description of your event. You can go through what others have written as their description and come up with one of your own. Now, add a cover image for your event by clicking over here. Like that, fill this entire form. As we have limited time, I am not going to fill this entire form right now. After filling the entire form, you will have to check this box and then click on Submit Event. Now, your application will be under review by the NFT Calendar team. After the review process is finished, your event will be added to this website. So, that is how you can promote your NFT collection using NFT Calendar. Now, let's move on to the third method for promoting our NFT collection. The third method for promoting our NFT collection is by using Discord. Most of the big NFT projects also have a big and active Discord community. You can either start a Discord server for your NFT project or join various Discord communities and start engaging with them. Starting a Discord server requires a lot of work, and when you are just starting out, you won't get any members in your Discord server. So, I suggest that you start by engaging in various communities and over time, create a Discord server of your own. So, go ahead and join many Discord servers and start engaging with the community. Make sure that you are providing some value to them and helping them. Don't spam in the chat by giving links to your NFT every few minutes. Join their discussions, be active, polite, and try your best to make the members of the group remember you. Then, you can mention your NFT project often, and chances are, as you are an active and legit person, people will check your NFT and buy them. Most users on these Discord servers are generally quite willing to invest in upcoming NFT projects. So, if you can be patient and engage with the community, you can get a lot of sales and build an audience. After engaging a lot in these communities, you can start building your Discord server and ask them to join your Discord server and engage with them. This task is not that easy, and you should understand that it will take some time and hard work to build a great community, but it will pay off in the end. Now, let's move on to the fourth method for promoting your NFT collection. The fourth method is to promote your NFT project on Instagram. It is easy to blow up on Instagram and gain a lot of followers if you are doing it the right way. What you will have to do is to create an Instagram account for your NFT project. People don't like to follow accounts that just post pictures of the NFTs. They also want to know how it is made and the people behind it. So be creative and make your posts engaging and creative. Post some creative videos or posts, along with pictures of your NFTs. Make sure to stand out from all the other NFT pages on Instagram to build a great audience. While posting on Instagram, use the appropriate hashtags and make the caption a bit creative. You should post at least once a day, and you can try out all the different types of posts on Instagram, like Reels and Carousel posts. You should also make sure to post a story, at least once a day, to show your followers that you are active all the time. To get the first few thousand followers, you can just go ahead and follow people who have liked posts of big NFT pages. As these people like those posts, there is a high probability that they will be interested in your posts as well. So, most probably they will follow you back. You can also message your followers or other people who are interested in NFTs and tell them that you have launched your NFT project and check them out if they are interested. Like that, you can also get a few sales. Just make sure to give people value and don't spam them. It will take some time and patience to grow on Instagram. Now, I have a bonus tip for you to grow your community and get a lot of sales using Twitter. So, the method to grow your community using Twitter is to do giveaways on Twitter. Most of the big and small NFT projects are doing giveaways. Doing giveaways are great because you can get new members to your community through it. For example, you can do a giveaway like this. To enter the giveaway, you will have to follow our Twitter account. Then like, retweet and tag 3 friends and join the Discord server. A lot of people will complete these steps to qualify for the giveaway, and you can get a lot of new members to your community by doing this. You can give away anything. If you want, you can give away some cryptocurrency, or you can just give away an NFT from your collection. People will be happy, as they are getting something in return for following you. This is a great way to grow your community and get some sales. So, these are some of the best free methods to promote your NFT collection and get sales. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you want more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon. Bye.